I mean, we live up here in northern Maine. It's the best place, and I mean, you're working with your family all the time, the people that you love, and doing the stuff you love. I mean, it really couldn't get any better. I mean, you're always in tune with everything that's going on. You're always helping everybody out. I mean, it's the best lifestyle about anywheres. I mean, you couldn't get it any better.
Hi, this is Caleb again. This is a time for transition. Now, as my parents hand down the farm to the next generation, we're ready and we'd like your financial help to keep our organic farm going strong. We need help for things like an updated mobile-friendly web store and repairing old farm buildings and equipment. Thanks everybody for all your help.